Okay, so we're going to simulate this circuit now, and if everything works out, it should work. So 3-digit pin, one of the pins is 1, 2, 3. It says pin correct, which has activated the circuit. Now I'm going to be pressing the button to simulate each item going into the box. So after 10 clicks, this green LED should momentarily turn into yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's gone to yellow for a short period of time and gone back, so that works. So now, and obviously the LCD screen is showing the correct pin as well. So if I stop the simulation and run it again, let's see what happens if I insert an incorrect pin. So it tells you that the pin is incorrect and the circuit isn't activated.